Hi guys, this is Vikas Yasan. I am a professional video editor and graphic designer. I do video editing, intro title, outer title, YouTube video tutorials, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook advertisement, Facebook page creations, Facebook online shop creations, wedding parties, event parties, logo design, flyer design, brochure design, poster design, and whiteboard animation. I also do data entry, conversion of PDF files, Excel formulas, email validations, web scripting, and many more. I have been working since 2010 as a graphic designer and I have created many projects online and offline. If you are looking the best consultant of your services, you are the right place. I mostly use Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, whiteboard animation, and many more. I hope my services will satisfy desired work. Thank you so much.